some of you reached out to me on Instagram and said, hey, what about that Jeep you was cleaning that tire on? Let's look at that. I said, okay. Well, while driving it, I got the power steering fixed and everything. I said, well, let's take it on the freeway, see if we can't figure some stuff out. Yeah, this top started coming apart on me, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this side piece off because it is removable, and hope that this doesn't just come on apart. And it is starting to rain a little bit, but oh well, let's get it done. Well, I made it back to the house. Got the new windshield in this thing. As I was saying before, some of you reached out to me on Instagram and said you guys would like to see this done. This Jeep, you know, they didn't like it just sitting around. So we're gonna start working on it. There's that tire cleaned. Half the hood that was cleaned. But yeah, as you can see, this top, about, I don't know what it was, about 65, started coming apart. And I don't mean the Velcro or zipper, but the actual top is just coming apart. When I first heard that, I said, oh man, this is not gonna be cool. You know, the top for the Jimmy, the blue one we had, it was almost $1,000. The top for the Jeeps are not that expensive. So I figured while we were going ahead and looking up parts, we already fixed the power steering, got the new windshield in it, got the vehicle running. It needs a little bit more. The four-wheel drive needs the drive shaft hooked up to the front, but we'll get all that. This thing needs some cleaning. This would be a great video for Super Clean to sponsor me. Hint. Y'all let them know. Y'all reach out to them and tell them, hey, sponsor stuff with Cletus. At least a video anyway. But for a parts list or to-do list, we got to clean this thing proper and see what paint we have to repair, if we can even repair it, or if it needs to be all redone. The paint on the sides is pretty good and stuff. I think it's really just going to be on the hood. Of course, we got a new top we got to get. The engine needs, man, we're going to do a seafoam treatment on it. We're going to do spark plugs, wires, I mean, all that stuff, air filter, oil change, get it all done. The suspension's actually in pretty good shape. Hadn't been that long since somebody did it. The clutch has been redone, but it's dragging a bit, and it's real sticky, so it might need a new clutch. We'll see when we get under there. Also, we're gonna have to do something with the radio here. I do have the little Pioneer that was in here, but who knows, you know, maybe I'll do a double din. Boy, this thing is just dirty. The horn doesn't work. What else we got? Well, a good thing is these things are pretty waterproof, so that side being like that, it'd be okay until we get the new top in. We'll get a new tire cover. That thing is not only ugly, but it's gone. The tail lights, I'm going to replace both of them. One of them's LED, one of them's not. So we'll get a matching set and do something there. We'll probably put these in bed liner, sorry. Alright, probably take these and tape it all off, bed liner these after we clean them up, because they've got all kind of little rock chips in them. We'll go ahead and tape these off and paint them up. This little Jeep sign here, after I get done doing what I'm going to do with this part here, probably clean it up and try to get it flat and see what I can do. This Jeep, I decided I'm going to go ahead and do it red. I think red and black look better than gray and black, but that's just me. So, like I said, new windshield, we got to get a new top, clean the hood up. The tires are in pretty good shape. We'll get them all cleaned up to match. Got the dent there. We got a dent right here we can push on. This kind of pushed back a little bit. We already got the power steering fixed. We'll get the 4-wheel drive working. This thing will be or is for sale, so if somebody wants a 4-cylinder 5-speed 4-wheel drive 2006 model Jeep with 135,000 miles, let me know. It's gonna get a new top. It's gonna get all cleaned up. It's gonna get all fixed up, new fluids throughout, and it's gonna look like a whole nother Jeep. But you know, this will be I guess this will be the next project that we'll have. So I'm kind of looking forward to it. They're not bad to work on. I put that power steering hose in really quick, and let me guys know what you think.